Fall is in the air, y'all. I went out last night. My cousins came over, Chris and Dana came in from Statesboro, so we went out and got a bite to eat. And fall was in the air. Did you go out last night, Eddie? At all? It felt so good outside.
It actually kind of feels nice out there right now.
It does.
Yeah. I mean, yesterday it was a breezy day for some reason all day.
Yeah. I was just shocked at last night because, I don't ever go out at night. So whatever it does at night, I don't know about. Okay. I said fall is in the air, and, fall means apples, apples, apples. So this morning I am making to take with me to a friend's house apple raisin muffins. The children will like them. And the adults, if that's all they want for breakfast, they can have that too. So I have chosen to grate my apples in the food processor because I just think that might be easier. So we shall see. This is the first time I've ever grated apples using the food processor. So let's see what we got. Looks good to me. How about you, Eddie? That look good to you? Heck of a lot easier than hand grating them. And I'm going to need 2 cups. 2 cups of apples. So we're moving on over here to the stove. I've got a cup of water that I'm going to put in my little boiler. And I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to add cloves, cinnamon, raisins, sugar, apples, yeah, I'm glad I grated that other little piece of apple. And the last ingredient I've got going in, well, the next to the last, I've got 2 sticks of butter. And it's just 1 cup, y'all, just 1 little old cup of butter. And I need 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, of fresh nutmeg.
There's a lot already in there because I started.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yes,
good.
Ma'am. I just wanted you to be able to do a little bit.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's 2, but it should be.
You know what? That looks very close to 2 teaspoons. And y'all, if a recipe calls for fresh grated nutmeg, please, by all means, use it because it makes a powerful lot of difference in the fresh versus the ground. All right, so we're going to let this come to a ball. Then we're going to have to let it cool off. The pot almost wasn't big enough, was it? These are going to be so moist because of the butter. And you know what I'm thinking that this is going to taste like, the best I can remember? Oh, it's going to taste like my grandma Harris's carrot cake. Only got apples instead of carrots. And we got butter instead of oil. Okay, our pot has finally come to a ball. And now I have chosen to pour it in my big pan because I'm hoping that by being in that big cold pan, it will cool quicker. So that's what I'm hoping, because we can't finish this until that has cooled down. So in this bowl, I've got my 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got my baking soda. And I've got my chopped walnuts. So I'm just going to stir those together. And then when our wet part of our muffins is cooled down, we're going to add that to our flour, put them in miniature muffin tins, and bake them for about 10 or 15 minutes. around 350 degrees. And they're going to be so wonderful. All right, y'all, our mixture for our muffins finally cooled down. And it really didn't take that long because, you know, I wanted to put it in a big pan so it'd be shallow and cool off quick. So all we got to do now is add this to our flour. Holy moly. Oh my.
Smells like Christmas.
It does smell like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Whoa. I don't know if I want to think about that, Eddie. I don't know if I want to think about it. There was 2 raisins left in there. Okey doke. So we just gonna stir this until all your flour.
You want that?
Oh, yes, I'd love that. Thank you. Until all the flour has been incorporated with the wet. To me, these little muffin tins, they're hard to spray.
They are.
And you just need to fill these to the top of the muffin pan. Okay, y'all. There they go. Our apple raisin fall muffins. Yum. I wish y'all were here in this kitchen to enjoy the smells that we've got going on in here. 350 for 15 minutes. Look, y'all. We filled the muffin tins to the top. So they might be bigger than just your ordinary miniature muffin. You know what I mean?
2-biter.
Yes, it's going to be a 2-biter instead of a 1 popper. As soon as I pop them out of the pan, y'all, they almost cool immediately. I mean, they're still warm, but I love a warm bread anything. Mm-hmm. What you think, Teresa?
You're fabulous. Hello,
What did you say?
fall.
Mm-hmm. Hello,
Might
fall.
even make the heat tolerable.
Mm-hmm. Look at Teresa. She's almost eating her whole muffin, Eddie. I love it when people enjoy the fruits of my labor. And y'all's labor, too.
And you never have to worry about that.
Mm.
Isn't it good?
Mm-mm-mm. It reminds me so much of Grandma's carrot cake.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. A great recipe for fall, y'all. And children, if any of y'all are watching this, ask Mama, please, 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 or Daddy to make it for you.
Mm-hmm.
Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.